So how crazy do you think I am if I tell you that I'm actually giddy about my tomato cages? I know, they're just tomato cages. And any garden YouTuber is going to tell you that the traditional tiny tomato cage, in fact, this little classic tomato cage that I actually right now have with some berry bushes here, is not going to do the job. So when I first ordered the Vego Garden tomato cage, I brought it home, I unboxed it. I expected it to be an upgrade, certainly a good tomato cage. But when I opened the box and I actually started expanding the cage, I started laughing. And the reason is it's pretty cool. You can not only just use it as a tomato cage, but you can actually expand it out and hook it together in different ways for different types of trellising. So you can set it up for cucumbers, you can set it up, you know, if you've got beans and stuff growing, you can create it so it's leaning, you can create it so it's standing straight in the garden. And so when I explored that and I realized all the possibilities, I thought, you know, this is actually a kind of cool product. It's actually something that made me think this is neat. And so it's not every day that you open just what is a normal garden variety thing like a tomato cage, and it is so cool. But let me talk about the actual tomato cage too. Right now my tomato's still tiny, but this is a mortgage lifter tomato. If we grow it extremely well, it can get to be more than 12 feet tall. Now right now I say that's tiny, but I actually buried it more than a foot deep. So, you know, if it's more than a foot now above the surface, that's already 2 feet tall. And, you know, right now, you know, I'm about 6 feet tall. This is about up to there on me. I can actually combine these cages, and I've still got some more cages that are available over there. I can actually combine these cages to make them tall enough to support a 12-foot tall tomato. And so, you know, I think it's pretty neat, the versatility that there is for growing different sorts of things. And honestly, it did actually make me giddy when I realized the depth of the product. It's also very sturdy, nothing flimsy here. So yeah, that's the Vego Garden tomato cage. So if you are interested in getting one, I do have an affiliate link and discount code in the description below. And I'm curious, let me know in the comments, what is the biggest tomato plant that you've actually ever successfully grown? We will put a video right here that shows how this mortgage lifter does by the end of the season.